How to check recent activity on Android phone. To check your recent activity, make sure that you're currently logged in to your Google account. Go ahead and open your Google app on your device. Next, tap the profile icon at the top, and then tap Manage your Google account. In here, go over to the Data and Privacy section. Then scroll down until you see the History settings. Now tap My Activity to show all of your activities, including the recent one, which also includes the web and app activity, location history, and your YouTube history. That's it.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below, and we'll see you on the next video.